What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. On the show today, we are fresh off of our vacation. We're finally home, and now my pan room organization project can get underway. Let me tell you, the pan room is in a state of disarray, if I could call it that. And the very first thing we're going to start with is we're going to organize my Smallware. So let me show you what I got for our very first organization project with the pan room. And this is going to be fun. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Let's do this. So we went on this like 3,000-mile road trip. We had a great time. I have a lot of footage from that road trip, so I will let you in on our trip, the places we ate, and the kitchen stuff that I got along the way, because I got some really cool stuff. But we're back now, and I'm ready to start reorganizing the pan room. And like I said, my first step is my Smallware. And Smallware is basically all that little stuff, right? Our spatulas, our brushes, all that stuff. And right now, if you saw my pan room tour for the first time, you will know that I have this cabinet that I keep my Smallwares in. I'll put a link above and in the description to my pan room tour if you haven't seen that, as well as my confession, right? Well, that cabinet, for the very first thing that I need to organize, literally when you open that sucker, it just like collapses on you. That thing is chock full. And for Christmas, Eric got me another one of those. So my goal is to move one set of shelving or racks in there. I'm going to move some of that stuff down into the basement. I'm going to bring my knife cabinet in there and the second Smallware cabinet so I can get that all organized. So let me show you the cabinet and show you the things that I'm doing with it. And I'll give you a quick peek of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. And also what I've ordered, I ordered something else to go with the new one. So let's go in here and take a look at it. Welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. On the show today, we are going to take a tour of one of my favorite places on earth. On the first floor of my house, I have a secret room back here that houses my most prized collection, my cookware. Yes, my cookware takes up an entire room. If you want to know the history of my pan room, please watch my video on the history of Amy's pan room. But now, let's take a look at the pan room. We got this cabinet because it seems like I have so many little tools and they're usually all over the place. And this was just a way for me to try to get them a little organized and keep them from getting dusty. So what this cabinet has some shelves in it. And what I've done is I've just taken some plastic bins and put them in there so I can organize the stuff a little bit better. So guys, this is the state of my current gadget Smallwares cabinet. It's an absolute disaster. My gadgets are everywhere. Every time I try to pull something out of here, it falls on me. It's time to get this cabinet together. This is pretty embarrassing even showing this, but we're going to transform this and it's going to be fantastic. So let me show you the new cabinet. So this is the new cabinet. It's just like the old one. It was slightly different when we put it together. It came in two parts. See that line in the middle of the drawer? Our previous one doesn't have that. but that's not that big a deal. So this is the current state of the inside of it. It came with 3 shelves plus the bottom as a shelf. I ordered 2 more shelves to go in here from Seville Classics. They are set to arrive by the end of the week. So I'm going to put those in there. So I have sweater boxes and shoe boxes from the Container Store, just like the other cabinet. So when the new shelves show up, we're going to get these all washed and it'll be ready to go. So as you can see, cooks, that Smallware's cabinet of mine is really, really bad. I can't find anything in there. It's an absolute disaster. So we are waiting on those additional shelves to come in for the new unit. We're going to get that thing in there. We're going to organize all that stuff and make it workable again. One of the things is, if your space is not organized, it makes it kind of stressful to cook. You don't want to cook. You can't find anything. Stuff falls on you. It just makes for a bad experience in the kitchen. So my tip for this week is to get your Smallware organized, know where everything is. Mine, of course, is a little excessive because of the pan room. But whether you have 3 drawers worth, 1 drawer worth, or an entire cabinet full, get it organized and it makes your cooking life a lot easier. So it's Wednesday. What's up? We are back. It's time to get at this again. Our vacation is over, even though I feel like I want to go back on vacation, but it's over, so we're ready to rock and roll again. So pan room organization is starting with the Smallwares. We're going to get everything organized and back to the way it was before, and so it's a lot more useful for me. So cooks, it's Wednesday. Let's do this. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Give me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can also catch me on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy.
She misses being in the car with me for another 3,000 miles.
Yeah, no.